Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Alexander Lexter Jules nagbabalik para sa inyong morning update ngayong umaga. Pag-usapan natin may entrata ipinagkumpara or sinasabing hindi kinukumpara pala. Parang sabihin na natin bawat kilos ng artistang ito ay parang nakikita nila ang isang may entrata. Plus, fashionista din ang Koreanang ito. Fashionista, mahaba ang mga legs at yung facial expressions niya, yung pagiging actress niya ay talagang nakikita nila ang isang may entrata. I don't know if you have seen her, kung nakita niyo siyang umarte sa Korean movies, pero maraming movies ito sa Korean. Actually, marami na rin akong napanood na movies niya. And hindi lang iisa, dalawa, kundi marami po. And I would like you to meet ang Koreanang actress na kung saan nakikita nila ang isang may entrata. And the supporters of may entrata want the same fate sa actress na ito. Sabi nila kasi, sana mga roles ni Maymay ay magiging kaparehan ng mga roles niya sa mga naging role niya sa Korean teleseries. Yes, mga kaibigan, would like you to meet Miss. Ang Korean actress na ito na inihahambing, medyo gusto nilang fate showbiz career ni Maymay na magiging the same sa kanya ay si Miss So Ya-chi. O ang Korean actress na talagang hinangaan din ng marami at hinangaan ko rin naman kasi magaling din po talaga siyang umarte. May mala aksyon, mala romantic, mala comedy at versatile po and flexible po. Flexible, yun ang tawag pala doon. Flexible na artista dyan sa Korea. And I want Maymay, yung career ni Maymay sa pagiging artista as actress ay sana maging ganyan din. Itatry niya lahat at matry niya lahat ng gusto niyang itry sa mundo ng teleserye or movie. And yes, usap-usapan ngayon sa Twitter itong maraming kahapon pa to usap-usapan itong pakikipag-away, pakikipag-girian ng fans ni May entrata doon sa isang grupo na kung saan sabi niya Brexin, anong pangalan ng babaeng yun? Babae ba yan o lalaki? I'm not so sure. Ayan, sabi niya kasi laos na daw si Maymay, kaya tuloy napalaban itong mga Mayward supporters at sinasabing sino ang laos? Antayin mo lang, sabi niya, na mawala ng project yang alaga nyo, yang mahal nyo at makikita natin na masasabi mo rin na talagang maipaglaban mo din, sabihin mong hindi laos ang artista mo. Sino ba naman daw ba ang sasabihan ng laos na hanggang ngayon meron pa rin namang mga projects itong si Maymay at meron pa rin naman itong mga production numbers sa ASAP natin to at binibigyan pa rin ng break ng ABS-CBN. Ito si Brexter, itong sabi niya kasi Brexter said, nagawa nyo nga noon nung marami pang fans, nung sikat pa, pero ngayon hindi na kasi nga laos na. Sus ko, alam nyo yan sa sarili nyo, ayaw nyo lang tanggapin. At least, di ba, sumikat sila noon, pero ngayon laos na fact. Ngayon, kaya sabi ng ni Bingkay, the fact is papunta na rin kayo doon, not doon. Not now, but one day. Kaya don't be so excited about it. And please stop boasting around those 1,000 tweet counts of your idols because we are not jealous about it. And I know those tweets are bots. Ayun. Yun ang sabi ni Bingkay. Sabi ni Tita Lucy dito, the fact na wala kang mukha, wala kang karapatang manghanash, duwag, papansin ang alam niya na yon. Ayan, so nagalit ang mga Mayward supporters. Sabi nila, nako, yung tweet counts, yung kasing kahapon pinag-usapan yung milyon-milyong tweet counts, 100 na counts ng tweet counts, pinag-boast nila na talagang maraming tweet counts itong love team nila at itong favorite idol nila, at talagang pinamumukha sa Maywards na talagang hindi na magawa ng Mayward dahilan daw, Mayward supporters, dahilan sa kakulangan na nga ng fans at kumonti na ang fans ng Mayward, at sabi niya laos na daw ang Mayward. Kaya ayun, napalaban sa mensahe itong mga supporters ni Maymay and Edward, saying hindi laos si Maymay and Edward kasi nga hanggang ngayon ay meron pa naman tayong inaabangan sa buhay artista at showbiz ni Maymay and Edward John Barber. Yan na muna kung ano ang opinion nyo about this. Just drop your comment on my comment section down below. Magandang umaga po, and I will see you for more later. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate, every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequences